In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the line grid in Miro. This simple yet effective feature can greatly enhance your experience, especially if you're a visual organizer or love to keep things neat and tidy. Miro, as many of you know, is a fantastic tool for collaborative work, brainstorming, and project management, and adding a line grid can help keep your designs, charts, and flows structured. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Miro board. Once you have your board in front of you, you'll need to access the main menu. This is usually located in the top left corner of your screen, so just give it a quick click. The main menu is like your central hub in Miro, where you can find most of the tools and customization options you might need. After opening the main menu, look for the option labeled View. Clicking on View brings up a set of options that let you customize how your board appears. This includes settings for zoom, screen sharing options, and what we're interested in today, adding grids. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the View options, as they can really enhance how you interact with and display your board to others. Next up, find the Grid option within the View settings. The grid is what we'll be enabling, and it's under this section that you can customize how the lines will appear on your board. The grid aids in aligning objects and text boxes, ensuring that everything is perfectly lined up, which is particularly useful for presentations or project layouts that require precision and clarity. Now, let's go to the final step, enabling the line grid itself. Under the Grid section, simply click on Line Grid. Once you do this, you'll notice a grid overlay appear on your board. The grid lines will help guide you without disrupting the content on your board. It's really like having an invisible hand helping you keep everything neat and in check. Remember, while this grid can be a great organizational tool, it's also fully optional. You can toggle it on and off as needed, depending on the current demands of your project. That's it. You've successfully enabled the line grid in Miro. This can be exceptionally helpful for making sure all elements are evenly spaced or perfectly aligned, ensuring professional quality for whatever you're working on. Experiment with this feature to see how it can best serve your particular needs. Until next time, enjoy your newly organized workspace.